So now we'll be seeing what is the difference between moving a cell with formula, that is cut and paste, and copying a cell with formula and pasting. So that copy and paste. So what I'm doing is these two formula has same for these two cells has same formula, which is referencing to the table here, H2 to J9. Same way here. So what I'm doing is now this formula which is there in B7, I'm just going to cut that and paste it into C7. So but I'm here when I do, I'm not seeing any change. I'm getting the same result. The cell reference are same. It is there. So when we do a cut and paste, the formula and everything will be intact. It will not change a bit. Yeah. So now see, let's see. So I have copied A7 and I'm pasting into B7. So what happens here is I have moved one column. So all the reference here has moved one column. That is from H reference to H2 to H9. They have moved to I2 to I9. That is one column change. So same way, if I copy this one, that is here it is I, and I am pasting it here, then it will come M, means it is moving 4 more, means it is I was here in B, then in C it will be J, then D it will be I, J, K, L and M. So same way, if we do it below, that is change rows, that same effect will happen. So here it was 2 to 9. Then here when I copied one row below, it became 3 to 10. So this is how the copy and cut affects the formulas. Yeah. So for removing these changes, we are using a tool called constraints. That is, we can use F4 key directly, and we can set the constraints, or otherwise you can give type dollar symbol. So whichever letter or a column name or row name this dollar symbol is there, it will be constant, it will not change. So like for example, in first condition I have given everything as dollar. In second condition I am giving columns are dollar. Third condition I am giving rows as constraint, means they cannot constrain. I am restricting it. So copy and paste it here one column away, and paste it here one row away. So the first one H2 to H9, it is intact, no change. Here I have restricted the column, so I, it is not changing, but when I did a row below, it changed to from second row to ninth row, that is changed to third row to 10th row. Same way here, if I go, I did only restriction in rows, so second to 9, that is intact, but the since I changed one column, the reference column from J it became K. But if you don't want to do any change, means whatever you copy, the reference should be absolute, then you should use dollar sign for both the row and column. So here F4, if I press, yeah, it is now no reference, sorry, no constraints. Now absolute constraint, no, it will not change anywhere. Only rows are constrained, only columns are constrained. Yeah. So this is how we can use constraints, and this is how the effects comes when we use copy and paste or cut and paste in a formula. Thank you.